Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about the basic introduction to Python programming or basic data structures or data types of the Python programming. Let me share my screen. So I am going to tell you about the introduction to Python, where Python consists of variable types data structures, where it consists of primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. In this video, we are going to talk about the primitive data structures, which consist of integers, float numbers, complex numbers, strings, and boolean. So, the first one, there are three basic numeric types in Python. They are int, float, and complex. Int means integers, basic integers. It can be positive and negative as well, but it should be a number, just numbers. And float is nothing but just rational numbers like something decimal numbers and all. And complex is nothing but the number which consists of alphabets like I, J, K we have studied previously. It means complex. And the basic numeric data types of int. Int means the integer. So int data, it is a short for integer. Same. It is just a whole number without any fractions or decimal places or anything like that. Examples of int data could be, it could be 0, it could be 123, it could be minus 123, it can be negative and positive numbers. But it should be integers, not alphabets. It can be a big number integers, so that's it. So, so an int can be a value, but cannot be a value with decimal places like 1.0 and 5.5. It should be a value, it cannot be a decimal value. Float, basic numeric data types, float. Floats are like integers. Floats are also integers, but it consists of decimal values or rational values, or it can be a float value. It is also called as float value. The examples of float data could be 0, 0.0, as you can see it's mentioned here. Negative, it can be negative and positive as well, but it should be in decimal point. The basic numeric data types complex. As I have mentioned, the number which consists of alphabet in it is known as the complex number. 3 plus 5j, 5j and minus 5j. It can be negative and positive, but it should consist of an alphabet in it with itself. Basic data type string. Strings are containers for alphanumerical characters and generally can't be used for math. It cannot be used for mathematics. The actual name for string in Python is str. It's a short form. Generally, basically the string means the letter which consists of double quotes or single quotes, that is known as string. Basic data types Boolean. Boolean are nothing but it's true or false, 0 or 1. In fact, these Boolean values are the absolute simplest type of data you can have and equate to a simple true or false. In fact, these two values are only valid values for any Boolean data. True and false are only two values for Boolean expression of data. So that's it about today's video. In next video, we are going to talk about these non-primitive data structures. Thank you very much.